welcome to the channel Engineering Physics. In this video, we see some solved numericals on Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Number 1. Find the lowest energy of a neutron confined to a nucleus of size 10 to the power minus 14 meter. Here, uncertainty in position is given as 10 to the power minus 14 meter. We have to find out minimum energy of the neutron. Heisenberg uncertainty principle formula is delta x into delta p equal to or greater than h upon 2 pi. Delta p equal to h upon 2 pi into delta x. Value of h is 6.62 into 10 raised to minus 34 joules second. That is Planck's constant. 2 into value of pi 3.14 into delta x is given as 10 to the power minus 14 meter. That is equal to 1.04 into 10 raised to minus 20 kg meter per second. Now we have to find out minimum energy of the neutron. For that formula, E minimum is equal to momentum into velocity. That is P minimum into velocity. It is equal to 1.04 into 10 raised to minus 20 kg meter per second into 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. That is equal to 3.12 into 10 raised to minus 12 joule. Now conversion of joule to electron volt by dividing 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. That is equal to 1.95 into 10 raised to 7 electron volt. Conversion of electron volt to mega electron volt equal to 19.5 mega electron volt. 10 raised to 6 electron volt equal to 1 mega electron volt. Hence, the lowest energy of a neutron confined to a nucleus of size 10 raised to minus 14 meter is 19.5 mega electron volt. Second numerical, a bullet of mass 0.05 kg is moving with a velocity of 800 meter per second. The speed of bullet measured and accuracy of 0.01%. Calculate the accuracy with which the position of a bullet can be located. Here, mass of the bullet is given as 0.05, velocity of the bullet 100 meter per second, accuracy is 0.01%. We have to find out uncertainty in position. First we have to find out momentum. Momentum is equal to mass into uncertainty in velocity. Mass is 0.05, uncertainty, that is accuracy, is given 0.01 divided by 100 into 800, that is uncertainty in velocity. Hence delta p equal to 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg meter per second. Now Heisenberg uncertainty principle formula is delta x equal to h upon 2 pi into delta p. This is the substitution. Here delta p 4 into 10 to the power minus 3. It is equal to 0.2635 into 10 raised to minus 31 meter. Hence, the accuracy with which the position of a bullet can be located is 0.2635 into 10 raised to minus 31 meter. Third numerical, if the uncertainty in the position of an electron is of the order of 5 angstrom, calculate the uncertainty in speed. Uncertainty in position is given as 5 angstrom, that is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Mass of the electron, you know, that is a constant, 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. We have to find out uncertainty in velocity. Again we have to use the formula delta p is equal to h upon 2 pi into delta x. This is the value of h, you know, 2 into 3.14, and delta x is given as 5 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. It is equal to 0.2110 into 10 raised to minus 20 kg meter per second. Velocity, uncertainty in velocity equal to uncertainty in momentum divided by mass. It is equal to 0.2110 into 10 raised to minus 24 divided by 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. That is equal to 0.0231 into 10 raised to 7 meter per second. Hence, the uncertainty in speed of the electron is 2.31 into 10 raised to 5 meter per second. Fourth numerical, In an atom, an electron is moving with a speed of 600 meter per second with an accuracy of 0.05%. What is the certainty with which the position of an electron can be located? In this numerical, velocity is given as 600 meter per second, accuracy 0.005%, mass of the electron 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. We have to find out uncertainty in position. Here we have to use this formula delta x equal to h upon 2 pi into delta p. Delta v equal to, that is uncertainty in velocity, it is equal to accuracy 0.05 divided by 100 into velocity 600 meter per second, that is equal to 0.03 meter per second. Now uncertainty in momentum is equal to mass into uncertainty in velocity. Mass is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 into 0.03, that is kg meter per second. Hence delta x equal to h upon 2 pi into delta p. It is equal to h is 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by 2 into 3.14 into 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 into 0.03. It is equal to 3.86 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Hence, the certainty with which the position of an electron can be located is 3.86 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Fifth numerical. Determine the minimum uncertainty in the position of the following objects if their speeds are known with a precision of 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter per second. First body, that is electron. First object electron and second object bowling ball of mass 6.0 kg. Now here given uncertainty speed is given 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter per second and mass of the ball is given as 6.0 kg. First object, that is electron, we have to find out uncertainty in position of the electron. Initially we find that uncertainty in momentum, that is equal to mass into uncertainty in velocity. This is mass of the electron and uncertainty in velocity is given 1.0 10 raised to minus 3 meter per second. It is equal to 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 34 kg meter per second. Hence uncertainty in position equal to h upon 2 pi into delta p. H, that is Planck's constant, 2 pi, and delta p 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 34. It is equal to 0.1158 meter. Hence the minimum uncertainty in the position of the electron is 0.1158 meter. Now second object, that is bowling ball. Again momentum is equal to uncertainty in momentum equal to mass into uncertainty in velocity. Mass of the body, it is given as 6.0 kg. Uncertainty in velocity is this, that is equal to 6.0 into 10 raised to minus 3 kg meter per second. Uncertainty in position, h upon 2 pi into delta p, 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by this 2 into 3.14 into 6.0 into 10 raised to minus 3. It is equal to 0.1756 into 10 raised to minus 31 meter. Hence, the minimum uncertainty in the position of a bowling ball is 0.1756 into 10 raised to minus 31 meter. Next numerical. An electron in a molecule travels at a speed of 40 meter per second. The uncertainty in the momentum of the electron is 10 raised to minus 6 of its momentum. Compute the uncertainty in position if the mass of an electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. Given that velocity 40 meter per second, mass of the electron, you know that is a constant 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg, Planck's constant, that is also constant. Delta P, uncertainty in momentum, P into 10 raised to minus 6. First we have to find out P, momentum equal to mass into velocity. 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 into 40, that is equal to 364 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg meter per second. Uncertainty in momentum equal to 364 into 10 raised to minus 31 into 10 raised to minus 6. It is equal to 364 into 10 raised to minus 37. Heisenberg uncertainty principle formula is given as delta x equal to h upon 2 pi into delta p. It is equal to, that is Planck's constant value 2 into 3.14 into 364 into 10 raised to minus 37. It is equal to 0.00289 into 10 raised to 3. It is equal to 2.89 meter. Hence, the uncertainty in position of an electron is 2.89 meter. Next one, the uncertainty in momentum of a ball traveling at 20 meter per second is 1 into 10 raised to minus 6 of its momentum. Calculate the uncertainty in position. Mass of the ball is given as 0.5 kg. In this numerical, again velocity is given, mass is given, uncertainty in momentum is given. You have to find out uncertainty in position. Simple numerical. First find out momentum, mass into velocity, 0.5 into 20, 10 kg meter per second. Uncertainty in momentum, 10 into 10 raised to minus 6. 10 into 10 raised to minus 6, it is equal to 10 raised to minus 5 kg meter per second. Again use this formula. Uncertainty in position equal to h upon 2 pi into delta p. This is the value of h. 2 into 3.14 into delta p, that is 10 raised to minus 5. It is equal to 1.054 into 10 raised to minus 29 meter. Hence, the uncertainty in position of a ball is 1.054 into 10 raised to minus 29 meter. And we will go to the last numerical. Number 8. A 150 gram baseball traveling at 220 meter per second measured to an accuracy of 0.065%. Calculate the uncertainty in position of the baseball. Given that mass of the baseball 150 gram equal to 0.15 kg, velocity 220 meter per second, accuracy 0.065%. We have to find out uncertainty in position of the baseball. Uncertainty in velocity, velocity into accuracy. Velocity is given as 220 meter per second and accuracy 0.065%. It is equal to 220 into 0.065 divided by 100, and it is equal to 0.143 meter per second. Now uncertainty in momentum equal to mass into uncertainty in velocity. Mass is 0.15 kg and uncertainty in velocity 0.143 meter per second. It is equal to 0.02145 kg meter per second. Now we have to use Heisenberg uncertainty principle formula. Delta x equal to h upon 2 pi into delta p. H 6.626 into 10 raised to minus 34 divided by 2 into 3.14 into delta p is 0.02145. It is equal to 49.188 into 10 raised to minus 34 meter. Hence, the uncertainty in position of a baseball is 49.188 into 10 raised to minus 34 meter. These are the numericals on Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.